if you want to display two different materials on a single object in Blender, something that resembles like this one. I'll show you how you can do this in the tutorial. Hello and welcome to the Blender Barbox channel. So let's get started. So we have sphere material here with a textured material, rough surface, and so we'll see how we can apply another secondary material to this one on a single object. Okay, so this is the material property, and here you have the material tab. So here I have prepared another material called shiny. This is a shiny surface, and we have secondary material which is rough. So let's see how we can display both materials on this object. So the first thing, if you notice, is we have here a single material slot, so we need a secondary slot where we can apply the secondary material. So to do this, here we have the plus sign, so this adds material slot, a new material slot, so click on it and we can select the shiny one. So now we have two slots with different materials, representing the rough surface. I'll call this one rough material and this one is a shiny one. Okay, so currently the rough one is displayed, so select this one, go to edit, and you can Alt Z to display the X-ray mode. You can press B to box select. I'll select the upper part, so I will change the half of the top part to another material, and the rest, the bottom half, will be the original material. So once this is selected, go to the material, and now we need the shiny part, so select it, and then here you have the option to assign. So if you go back, now you can see half of the material has been converted into the shiny part and half the material is original one. So this is the easiest way to, if you want to display two different materials on a single object. Yeah, so that's all the tip for today. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe the channel. I'll see you next time with another Blender tutorial. Thank you for watching. Have a nice week. Bye.